It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know.
Nice. Juggle music, Cape Town, 10 section, all over. What can we say?
Masocha andifuni bendikhuluma ngandi ikhuluma type mna yazi umalala usoloko khona esikhaleni, so it is what it is. Sikubongs, we're doing our thing, so just to broadcast the way sinibonisa uba okay sisekhona esikhaleni. Salute.
Easy. Today siphethe uBrazuka unengoma ethi ebhungweni, you understand, and ishutwa nguKing next door. The motherfucker next door, Cooks nigga. Cooks gang nigga.
Cooks gang.
That's how it is.
Awufuna unaba kancane.
No, but these are people that have put a foundation as SPAS in different eras. For instance, Tina Sfika Pango 2004, 3. Obrazuka no Retex Tala Belap, and in the video I saw a few familiar faces, so we are all for it.
Yeah, nathi ke we come from that era. Cha ke sibancane kubo, but ke we have to admire what they did to us, yabo. Yeah, until now. So sesilapha nobong siyayazi, we come from long way, so we just wanted to express umjita. They all have to understand ba umculo wakudala is the best to us and also to the future, you know.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Without any further ado, I bring to you. Bam.
Bongweni story. Apho sikhula khona. Apho siphuma khona. Twala.
Sikhule kamnandi.
Sikhule kamnandi sebancane ebhongweni. Sikhule kanzima kumnandi ebhongweni. Ngoku sesibadala sesafaya ebhongweni. Abanye babengosi abanye bengosemhlabeni. Sikhule kamnandi sebancane ebhongweni. Sikhule kanzima kumnandi ebhongweni. Ngoku sesibadala sesafaya ebhongweni. Abanye babengosi abanye bengosemhlabeni.
I'm seeing like recognizable faces.
Yeah.
Khona la tsothi ya DJ la i-backyard, DJ Masaya, nesaya umes.
Nale out le we uleduka ngibale out le ipaki backyard umfowethu
Point
2. Yeah, man, that nigga umuntu ya
Uthe ubona no index ne.
Yeah, index.
Mena missed that
Intona
nigga.
Ex-hoser.
Ngoku sesibadala sesafaya ebhongweni. Abanye babengosi abanye bengosemhlabeni. Safikela kwaScom, still a youngin' ngezasikhathi. We moved to B-Sec in the early to mid-80s. Bongweni in the 90s, shit was kinda crazy. Kwazala no baby, last born year or late. Primary school days was filled with mad play. Itola to Ebola, we were sick, we didn't play. No team would dare challenge us blind like we cricket. I would get the runs and Sina would get the wickets. Some wanted a way out, thought sport was the ticket. Some wanted education, but their mix wasn't with it. Some wanted the street life, and to it they fell victim.
Ekhangela plus omdala kaloku mabudiyeni funeka niunderstand i-elder yakho, so elder can have a way.
Bring that
Listen to
bitch,
that
bring
shit.
that bitch back.
Wanted a way out, thought sport was the ticket. Some wanted education, but their mix wasn't with it. Some wanted the street life, and to it they fell victim. I wanted to raise hell, rebel and fight the system. Retell ghetto stories, started writing lyrics. Met a fiery spirit by the name of Toxic, talented individual.
Sorry. Lo Toxic no magazine nambona, but all the cats that used to be there before us say he was an incredible individual, a talented, like no stainless steel.
Bro.
Maybe after
some of the
7
niggas,
so years before us or 10.
Two weeks back, I met Ulanduka stainless steel
Oh,
for the first time after
Menya.
days of Ulanduka long runnings.
yeah, the cool running.
Cool runnings.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
dog, I'm like,
Second, Mac.
yeah, Gumba Entertainment, like, because as an open mic, there's a Gumba Sunday.
Yeah, I need to go.
Yeah,
I've been
I'm like,
trying
you
to
now,
go.
stainless steel. I'm like, dude.
Did he
fair
perform?
to- Yeah. I'm like, bro,
It's over.
fair to.
Even when I
Wayazi
met
game
out
was nina yona lyric.
Garlic Brown, Garlic Brown.
Yeah,
I met Garlic Brown in Bracken Fair, bro.
Salute.
Kwenye shop,
The middle class guy.
that nigga, I know that nigga.
It's
So
golf.
the time of the
Don't
text.
thetha ngeza webam.
Yabo.
Ntoni. he tried to rap about the system and all, like the story of I understand, and this is
no Simphiwe
one of his storytelling songs, because his
Simphiwe,
stories asekase sibamje ukhule njani, like abanye basidlala ibhola, abanye sikhule ngetola.
It's a general story of the song.
So
That's what attracted me to the joint in the main.
so siya relate, you know.
Writing lyrics, made a fiery spirit by the name of Toxic. Talented individuals on rhymes of mixing vinyl. Rest in peace to Tongs and your legend, Yase Bongs. Kulega Mlan, Sebanan, Bongwe. Kulega Zima, Gumnan, Bongwe. Goku sesibadala sesaphaye Bongwe. Abanye babengu sabanye bengwa semhlabe. Kulega Mlan, Sebanan, Bongwe. Kulega Zima, Gumnan, Bongwe. Goku sesibadala sesaphaye Bongwe. Abanye babengu sabanye bengwa semhlabe. Even kwaba bakhoy kwabanye ngatha confessan. Ushiyile nova ustone uzomosha nabani. I see a lot of new faces with screw.
Point two, I give thanks to Prazuka to give point two an opportunity after the circumstances of life as face leyo out yami liyasikhula sonke nayo, but into adibene nazo mfowethu maximum respect. Ngiyabuyela bayisekhona.
Baye Bongwe, abanye babengu sabanye bengwa semhlabe. Even kwaba bakhoy kwabanye ngatha confessan. Ushiyile nova ustone uzomosha nabani. I see a lot of new faces with screw faces walking around the hood tripping on the
As you watch him at school, this is ziyadubula zangenyanyesa aya.
Guys, I stood on
Screw face.
screw face. The screw face. The two-time like screw face, yeah. Yakdala upper good a nice one, Prazuka fit. At least you recognize it.
Salute.
Ushiyile nova ustone uzomosha nabani. I see a lot of new faces with screw faces walking around the hood tripping on their shoelaces. Ikona Yakwa 38 was our true base kid. When they shot Kinopo, where we had cyphers with the case. Shout out to Mav K9 and Luigi. No forgetting Charles Glevu and my nigga speech. Pushing this rap back in the days, it wasn't easy. We still grinding hard, illest MCs and DJs. I'm talking about Messiah, DJ Price Point 2, DJ Lloyd Prime Time, just to name a few. This song is for bongs, just to right the wrongs. I know it's been long, but we're still holding strong. Never giving up till Suspensy sings the song. Shout outs to Sisongis on the horns on the song. Skulega mnandi sebancane Bongwe. Skulega nzima kumnandi Bongwe. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Bongwe. Abanye badengosa abanye bengwa semhlabe. Skulega mnandi sebancane Bongwe. Skulega nzima kumnandi Bongwe. Goku sesibadala sesavaye Bongwe. Abanye badengosa abanye bengwa semhlabe.
Who's on the beat here? What's the song? King next door, Prazuka attacks. Salute.
I think to answer a question by producing money way,
Yeah,
it
prime time.
is prime time.
Prime time. Don't know who's prime time. But
And the visual is by the King next door.
that's
Alright.
it.
Manqale kuwe Lala, what's your take on this?
Forward to according to what you were saying, but okay, my take now is to let you know about I'm working on an album too, yabo, this year, but I don't know when or where. I've already started with some of the songs because I want people to listen to this new me, yabo. People but that's they think they know who it is, yabo. I'm a grown-up man now, yabo. So even the level of doing music, it's upgraded to a point whereby even umntana omncinci nomuntu omdala angakwazi ukumamela, you know, because as the levels zihamba nomculo uyatshintsha as a generation to generation. So I just want to say, I just want to say, guys, I'm working on this album. Says I'll sebenza no bonks, even no like because we come a long way so in support in many ways. Platform is just that technology is kind of slow, that's why it's not that we are dead or we are lost. It's just that technology is slower according to, you know. Sure, bonks.
Right, so about the West Bogela,
the Brazuka's video.
Yeah.
No, a video. Now I'm relating to the video of Chita Ebongweni, because Ebongweni is part of Gaslam Nam, even if I'm in Delft. Ebongweni Dayaz. And le ngoma njembe irelated because irelated indlela endikhule ngayo nam apha eDelft nani nabanye abantu abaziqondileyo, you know, because we've been suffering, we've been fighting and into ezininzi zingenzeki, but sastrongo singabanye, we made it to the level sikuyo. Now we have families. Bongs, I never thought that I'm going to be a father when I'm 48 years old. But today I'm a father of 5 kids. And fully feel ashamed about that.
Good times.
I'm supportive there and there, but I'm grateful that disabambene ne brothers zabe benkhula nazo according to the situation, so I'm still
No, so for me, this song was when he was making the album, because timeline I'm done born, but I was happy that he's back because I always thought he has something to offer.
Because the way we should have been done did.
Yeah,
because you sent me this award.
Yeah,
like,
I told you.
Yo, check this shit out.
Keep this thing, man. Because
and it's still there in my inbox. So we here now.
Yeah,
like,
we done did it.
Yeah.
Because also because he talks about us growing up. Because nobody kulela kulele steneni. Ukhala ngebhongweni yakhe dear to. Mna ngisakhalele impetha square ndikhalela iDelft ba iDelft yabo screw faces mekabika ngazo ingingqi yethu has gone down yabo. So but I like also everything nento zothutha is very like reminiscent about ukhula nihlala necricket amanye amajita aya ngapha amanye akhamandela amanye akasekho kwasemhlabeni
all the ways
thetha nango sister wakho no baby. Shout out to no baby. No baby can give me a call anytime. I can't. But and I also want to give thanks to no baby nene chomizaki because for pulling up and giving support. Sometimes the females understand how much these things mean to us. But I also want to give a big shout out to Ra no King next door. Kid, but he's been working really hard recently, and this song is a big person.
The light 2.2, the light 2.2, my
the light 2.2. No index, I'm done.
Sure.
Easy.
When
on my side, dog, I appreciate Mdu or represent where he comes from, you understand, and glorify, you understand about. Yo, dude, I used to do that a lot until bad shit started happening to me. When he says women is promoted these days, and until you understand. So I'm a gangster that way. So about rapper in a naked in a positive way, you understand much. This is us. This is cool and yet all. Says cool against
there's none of that.
He talks about all the positive ways of put us, you understand, of ziwe farmers glorify as
awunihilile
you know what I mean. So I appreciate that, you understand, and I learned so much from this song.
Yeah, just to
You
patch
understand, and a team being there for, cause uPrazuka can't bono Prazuka and bono run, can't bono run more.
Exactly.
So
they work hand in hand.
And still see the same team, the bono Taslo, the bono DJ Loops, bono like you understand. I'm like
spirits are
beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see.
The powerful spirit.
And the song itself, it's nice. Sonics, Zangoma, production, video, everything is on top.
And Bongs,
to
be honest,
this is the type of song about ungayifaka elanukeni on MTV base kungathiwa maybe it doesn't meet maybe uthiwa asiyifuni for i-community yethu because sidila ngento ezi-commercial but i-criteria yayimethe quality yonke into inswempu yonke into
ingabukelwa ngumuntu wonke le ngoma.
It's a reality.
You understand?
It's a reality.
Besides lo ingabukelwa ngumuntu wonke, ulethi time malume Nkosi, nothing, none of that thing ayithanda ukhalelwa ngabantu. My mother used to complain a lot that umculo wethu
uyathuka
ensathanda ulwa sodwa ingekabonwa noba siphi. So here he shows by his in his 40s.
So lokho nevesi underpants ngaphandle.
And xa uba mdala uye appreciate how you grew up and the things you always avoid die. Because that's no xhoma nathi. Like lebesithethe uba asaziwe nginqini ngoxhoma. Saziwa ngokwenzama.
Stand for, yeah, you know. Usulekele ezawesi phila kuzo siyazazi siyazibona and nathi basyathanda singakwazi uzenza. It's just that you choose a life when you choose your own path le kulungeleyo wena. If la way grand for wena, go for it. Asanga zochacha abantu wenza noni ngaba, as long as if you do your thing. Dachiya bongs.
Facts. So we're saying all that to say this, the song
is splendid.
Correct. Nike.
Correct.
But I would like to see you guys share, hit the like button, comment, nize views. Kukho iway that wena ungathatha kuyo thina sithachanga kuyo. So cela hit that comment section and then sincokoleni by the community
and suggest songs for bonke.
Yeah.
Salute.
Kasiphuma apha sekwephi ngoma. Suggest now suggest that comment section. Otherwise for today or for this moment, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Salute!
Vuka Delft!